In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize objects in Adobe Illustrator quickly and accurately using the selection tool. This is the fastest and most common way to scale anything in Illustrator, whether it's shapes, text, icons, logos, or images. If you've ever struggled with stretching objects by accident or resizing from the wrong point, this guide will clear everything up. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll show you the exact keyboard shortcuts that make resizing much easier and more precise. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator document and select the object you want to resize. This can be any shape, graphic, or grouped element. Now press V on your keyboard to activate the selection tool. This is the black arrow tool, and it's the main tool used for selecting and transforming objects. Once the selection tool is active, click on your object. You'll see a bounding box appear around it, with small handles on the corners and sides. To resize quickly, move your cursor to one of the corner handles. Click and drag inward to make the object smaller, or drag outward to make it larger. This is the fastest way to resize anything in Illustrator. However, if you simply drag a corner without holding any keys, you might accidentally distort the proportions depending on how you move your mouse. To keep the object perfectly proportional, hold down the Shift key while dragging a corner handle. Holding Shift locks the aspect ratio, meaning the width and height scale evenly. This is especially important when resizing logos, images, or anything that shouldn't look stretched. Now let's say you want to resize from the center instead of from one corner. By default, Illustrator scales from the opposite anchor point, which can shift your object's position. To resize from the center, hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option on Mac while dragging a corner handle. You'll notice the object expands or shrinks evenly from the middle outward. If you want both proportional scaling and resizing from the center at the same time, hold Shift and Alt together while dragging a corner handle. This keeps everything in proportion and scales evenly from the center point. This shortcut is extremely useful when you're designing layouts and want to maintain alignment while adjusting size. A quick extra tip: always make sure you're dragging from a corner handle if you want proportional scaling. Dragging from the side handles will only adjust width or height individually, which is useful in some cases but can distort your design if done unintentionally. If you don't see the bounding box around your object, go to the top menu, click View, and make sure Show Bounding Box is enabled. Without it, you won't see the resize handles. Resizing objects properly is a fundamental Illustrator skill. Whether you're designing social media graphics, posters, logos, or web elements, mastering these simple shortcuts will speed up your workflow dramatically and help you avoid common scaling mistakes. So just to quickly recap, press V to activate the selection tool, click your object, drag a corner handle to resize, hold Shift to keep proportions, hold Alt or Option to resize from the center, and hold Shift plus Alt together to scale proportionally from the center point. Once you start using these shortcuts regularly, they'll become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.